Best foot bath massagers are designed to massage the feet while bathing them. These devices help relieve pain and prevent injuries. Different types of foot baths available. You can choose between manual and automatic ones. Manual foot baths have knobs and buttons that allow you to adjust the temperature and pressure. Automatic foot baths use sensors to automatically control the temperature and pressure. There are many products available to choose foot bath massager, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best foot bath massager from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HoMedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Rejuvenates overworked feet. Treat your feet after a long day of work with this Bubble Mate Foot Spa. The massage water jets and raised nodes work to revive your feet by gently massaging and soothing your tired, overworked feet. Removable pumice stone. Pamper your feet and shape them to perfection with the included callus removing stone. Splash proof. The foot spa was designed with an integrated splash guard that helps prevent splashing and spills. This makes it easy to carry your foot spa without worrying about spilling the water for a mess-free experience. Toe touch control. The foot spa was designed with a convenient toe touch control that allows you to turn it on and off without getting your hands wet. HoMedics. HoMedics is about creating a healthy home environment that helps you relax your body, distress, and simplify your life. Number 2. Conair Heat Sense Pedicure Foot Spa. Soothing foot spa. Wash away the day's cares. Invigorating bubbles and massaging rollers provide a soft massage on tired, achy feet while heat relaxes and soothes. Stress relief. This foot bath features 2 feet massage rollers offering relaxation from head to toe. Heat Sense technology heats water up to 140. Temperature is maintained for 10–15 minutes. It may take up to 30 minutes to reach max temperature. Toe touch control. This foot spa features convenient toe touch controls to easily activate bubbles and heat. Designed with an extra deep basin for a full foot massage. Non-slip feet keep it unstable. Bonus, pumice and nail brush accessories included. Health and wellness. Prioritize health and self-care at home. Conair's bath scales, massagers, heating pads, foot baths, and sound therapy products will help keep you relaxed and on track. Number 3. HoMedics Bubble Spa Elite Foot Bath. Rejuvenates overworked feet. Treat your feet after a long day of work with this Bubble Spa Elite Foot Bath. The massage water jets work to revive your feet by gently massaging and soothing your tired, overworked feet. Heat boost power. Don't worry about waiting for your water to reach the right temperature. The foot spa can transform cold water into warmer water in just minutes, while maintaining the warm temperature throughout your foot bath. 2-in-1 Pedicure Center. The foot bath includes a 2-in-1 removable pedicure center that includes 2 attachments, a pedicure brush for cleansing, and a pumice stone to exfoliate for smooth feet. Comfort design. The Bubble Spa Elite Foot Bath features a sensuous seagrass surface that provides a stimulating surface that soothes and rejuvenates your feet. It also has an easy tote handle and splash guard to prevent splashes and spills. Toe touch control. The foot spa was designed with a convenient toe touch control that allows you to adjust the jets and temperature with your toes without having to reach down to adjust them. Number 4. HoMedics Shiatsu Bliss Foot Bath. Everyone needs a foot massage. Deep kneading Shiatsu massage soothes and comforts tired, aching, overworked feet. Hydrotherapy massage helps release the stress and anxiety of a long day. The heat is on. Heat boost technology quickly warms water and maintains a constant temperature. Footbath healing powers. Rippled massage floor encourages healing while stimulating blood flow for better sleep, renewed energy, and improved mental clarity. Stop the spill. Avoid splashes and bending over thanks to the integrated splash guard and toe touch controls. Number 5. Conair Waterfall Foot Pedicure Spa. Soothing foot spa. Wash away the day's cares. This foot spa features full bubble action to soothe your soles, and an innovative waterfall massages the tops of your feet as it pampers your toes. Stress relief. This foot bath features 3 attachments: scrub brush, pumice stone, and soft touch massager. They add a touch of luxury for a relaxing home pedicure and spa treatment. Toe touch control. 3 toe touch controls activate high, low bubbles, waterfall, and blue LED lights glow underwater to help you relax. Footbath does not heat water. Fill the footbath with warm water and enjoy the perfect soak. Health and wellness. Prioritize health and self-care at home. Conair's bath scales, massagers, heating pads, foot baths, and sound therapy products will help keep you relaxed and on track. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.